So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create variable products in your WooCommerce website like this. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to go to your WordPress website. Okay, once you're there, you click on what? Product. After which you click on what? Add new product. After that, you simply need to insert the product name. So we are going to insert it, that is night. So copy it and paste it. So after that, you scroll down. You can decide to insert the product description. Yeah, scroll down and this is the product description here. So simply copy it, go back here, insert it. Okay, after that we are going to scroll down. Okay, here you are going to see product data. So we are simply going to click on what? On single product, after which you are going to choose variable product. Click on it. Okay, before adding a variable product, you simply need to first of all add either the size or the color of the product in which you want to add as variable product. As you can see on our website, that is on the other website, that is black. You can see the color black, white, see the way it's changing, and you can see the size. You can choose the size of the shoe as well. So we are going to do that. Click on what to get it. Okay, so we simply need to what? Save our product first. Save it, save to drive, or you can see publish it. After that, you go to what? You click on attribute down here. For me now, you simply need to insert the attribute name. So we are going to say colors, copy it, scroll down. We'll leave all the other ones in default manner. So we are going to click on what? Add attribute. Okay, after that we are simply going to click on what? Configure theme. So click enter inside, click on it. You simply need to insert either it's a black color, pink or white, but our Night Air Force is black and white, as you can see here. So we're going to go back and we're going to say black, add new color. So we're going to add again white, add new color. Okay, once you are done adding your two colors, that is the white and the black, as you can see here, that's the white and the black, we'll go back here and we'll go click again on attribute. Now we are going to be adding the what? The size of the shoe. So like as you can see here, that is the size of the shoe. Copy it. So scroll down, click on what? Add attribute. Okay, now we simply need to insert the size of the shoe, that is if it's 10 or 9.5 depending on the shoe size. As you can see, that is 10, 9.5, 14.5, 16.5. if it's an American brand, if it's a China brand, if it's a France brand. So depending on the size of the shoe in which you want to add. So I'll go back here and I'm going to scroll down. Okay, for the size I'm going to just say, let me just say 10. The same thing on the other side. Okay, if you want to give a description about the size of the shoe, you can insert it, but I'm going to leave it like that blank. So just click on what? Add new size. Yeah, so I'll say 9.5. add new size. Okay guys, once you are done with that, you can either customize it, like dragging it up, change the position, as you can see, the way you want it should be. So I'm going to leave it like that, so that I'm going to say 9.5. Then so after that, I'm going to go back to my all product. So this is a product here. I'm going to click on it. That's edit. Okay, I will simply scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So as you can see here, it is a SKU, is a stock keeping unit, which is being identified by each product from the producer. So let's just copy the same thing here. That is just like add like a barcode, yeah, something of that nature, but it's not actually a barcode. It is being identified by each product from the manufacturer, that's the producer. So here is the barcode. Here is a barcode which can help you to list out products on other channels or marketplace. So I'm going to leave it like that. After that, I'm going to click on what, shipping. So shipping, now you can decide to insert the height and the width, the dimension. So let me just say the width, the 10, that is 12. I'll just put 2, 3 and 4. So for shipping classic, I've not yet inserted the shipping on the WordPress website, so I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, I'm going to click on what, linking product. So if you have any external link where you want this thing should be, the product should pop up, that is the sale up and cross sale, so you can insert it here, but I'm going to leave this section in the default manner. So for attribute, now I'll click on it. Okay, after that, I'm going to click on what, add existing attribute. So we have the color. So from there, now color, we are going to choose all the colors. Click on choose all. After that, we'll click on what, save attribute. Okay, after that, we simply need to choose the size. So we're going to choose now the size, choose all, save attribute. Okay, after that, once you're done with that, you now click on what, variation. Okay, you simply need to generate the variation. So you can do it manually, but I'm going to generate it automatically. So click on OK. So as you can see, that is the black, that is 9.5, that's the size. You have the black, that is 10, that is the size. You have the white, that is 9.5, that's the size. You have white, that is 10, that is the size. So I'll start here. I will simply click on what, image. So I need to add the black image, that is the image of the product. So let's choose it, choose drop. I think I got it somewhere here. This is here, black. Okay, so here, downloadable, you can put on the price that you want to put. So let's say the selling price is 150. So the regular price, that's 200, selling price 150. Okay, we scroll down, and you can as well decide to insert the if it's on stock, it's in stock or out of stock. Yeah, so let's put the height again. Yep, 34. Yeah, okay, from here I'm going to leave it like that. Now add the other one. So do the same for the other side, that is for the black 10, that is white 9.5 and white 10. So we're going to do it. So once you're done adding the various information needed, you simply click on what, save changes. So advanced, yeah, we're going to leave this one in the default manner, that is for the purchase note, that is for menu order. So let's say we can just save 10 or what, yeah. For more options. We are going to leave this one to the default manner. Yeah, okay. Once you're done with that, you can now add the product short description. As you can see here, there's a product short description. This one, copy it, paste it. Okay, we now go up, back, scroll up, and okay, you can decide to add the product image. So we are going to choose the product image. Let's also choose black. Yeah, so if you have additional products, image for this that is from the gallery, you can as well add it. So let's just take it back here. That is, we are going to insert Y shows. Yeah, this is here. Open. Okay, we are going to click on it, add to gallery. As you can see down here, that is the image gallery. See the way it's changing, right? That's it. We'll go back, and the product category. So this is a product category, which is Nike. Yeah, product category and the brand. So depending on what you want to put for the product category, you can just put, let's say, shoe. Yeah, add. Okay, now you can add tag if you want. Let's say Nike. Yeah, okay. Now for the branding, so you can now add a new branding. So let's say Nike. From then I see add new brand. Okay, for any external future image, that is, let's say you can decide to add your YouTube channel link or a product or an affiliate link, depending on what you want to put for this external image stuff, like where if someone click on the image on the image, is going to redirect the person to the page. So but I'm going to simply leave it like that in the default manner. Yeah, after that I'm going to click on what, publish. So we are going to review we are going to pre-review our product. That's our variable product. So guys, that's it. So this is our product here. That's it. But it is not white because of the nature of the theme. So let me change it back to white. Okay, the nature of the theme, you can change it like this. So that's it. The size, everything, the black size, the white. Yeah, so guys, that's actually the way you add variable product in your WooCommerce website. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below if you face any difficulty doing this. We love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.